Hello everyone, this is Asta Agrawal from Parindi Sansthan, and I would just love to conclude today our Let's Talk session by having a watch through this video. In this, animal abuse is being there a lot. They are kicking, pushing and dragging the cows, and this happens on daily basis, hour to hour, back to back. Is it really important to treat them like that just to make our needs fulfilled? This is our what Indian society do. And we, being a part of the society, ignore it, let it be, carrying attitude which is not so appropriate and not so correct. We have all the rights and this is our society. If there is something wrong, if you see, you should speak it out for that. No one is going to do that. If it is being seen to you, then there is a motive that you may stop it. So don't waste that. Coming up to the second video of drug abuse is there are almost every year 1,66,000 people are dying due to drug overdose. More than half of those who die from drug abuse are younger than 50 years old. Drug has become so important part of the student life, especially to the youth life, that they are taking it like that it is cool to to do drugs, to look cool in the gang. Yes, I do drugs. Yes, I do drinking, smoking and all, which is not good for your health at a point of time, and when you realize it, it's very good. So don't ever do this. Don't ever go to that stage which can harm you, which can harm your family. Opioids are responsible for the largest number of overdose from illicit drugs as well. 1% of the world has a drug use disorder. 1%. Isn't it a big one? You might be thinking 1% to itna sahi hota hai. No, it is not. There should not even be 0.1%, which what I believe. Moving up on our third topic, that is depression, and I have personally shared my views and my videos on depression topic. So on this topic I would just say, no one is you and that is your superpower. So don't let anyone discriminate you or make you feel low. Don't allow them. They are no one to you. They will never be. If they are demoralizing you or making you low, they are not a part of your life. They are not a part of your love, care or family. The only one who get to decide your worth is you. It doesn't come from you, bank account or number of friends you have. It doesn't come from where someone else you are worth. It's called self-worth for a reason. It comes from you, within you. So stop not believing in yourself. Start loving and believing in yourself, because you are more important to yourself. किसी और से भी ज़्यादा, खुद से ज़्यादा और कोई कैसे इम्पोर्टेंट हो सकता है? और कोई और भी इम्पोर्टेंट है और आप इम्पोर्टेंट नहीं हो खुद के लिए, तो आप उसको कैसे इम्पोर्टेंस दे सकते हो जब आपको खुद की कदर नहीं है? Third and very important is skin color. Lot of people have different skin colors and we should appreciate and respect. And personally, I love when I see different types of skin colors, even it's dark and or a very white one or a normal one. It's cool. It's eye-catching for me. That is so attractive, like it attracts me a lot. So stop discriminating who do that. यार ये कितनी काली है, ये कितनी मोटी है, ये कितनी स्किनी है, ये ऐसी है, ये वैसी है, इसका एक हाथ नहीं. Stop doing that. If you cannot make people happy or comfortable, don't make them sad or make them hurt by your words. child abuse. In this video, there is the mother is beating his 1.5-year son, and there have been a lot of videos which we have gone through. Child abuse. Is it really important to beat a child to make them understand you should not do this? These are the pros and cons. No. Love has been one of the strongest things ever. Even I don't know how many of you follow Krishna ji and Lord Krishna or believe in him, but he has always said this statement: प्यार से बड़ा कुछ भी नहीं होता और प्यार सबको चाहिए. अगर आप किसी को भी कभी समझाना चाहते हो, बच्चे को डांटना मारना, ये this is not a solution to anything. Do you really think that you are going to beat someone and he or she is going to listen to you? No. They will become more stubborn in that thing and they won't ever revert you back. Last but not the least, beating old people. Is it really very important or necessary that you should beat your elders? I have never heard, never seen such things. But from in this lockdown, I have seen a lot of videos, especially on this topic. Why in this lockdown, children are taking their parents like as a burden to them? उन्हें ऐसा क्यों लग रहा है कि वो एक बोझ है, निकालो इन्हें घर से, कोई फायदा नहीं है. Even I shared a video of Leelavati Ji in my personal account. Why is it happening? A parent gives his or her everything to that child to make him or her comfortable in every situation. उन्हें मारना तो सही नहीं है. ज्यादा ही प्रॉब्लम हो रही है, नहीं पसंद आ रहे हैं, ओल्ड एज होम में भेज दो. कनेक्ट टू NGOs, we will help them, we are there for them. Don't beat them, please. उन्होंने अपने गुस्से में भी आपको हमेशा दुआएं दी. उन दुआओं को इस तरह तो मत करो. Talking on all these topics, I don't know what should I say in the end, but I would just say there are different things happening daily in different areas to different people. If you are seeing any one of them, start stopping it. Because when you put a step, people will automatically support you, like people are supporting me. It's not that tough. It is very simple. You are just being honest. You are just being real to the society. इसमें क्या गलत है? I really want you all who are watching this to share your views on any of the topic which you feel is correct or incorrect. I would love to know your opinion. Thank you so much.
इस फल को देख रहे हैं आप? ये वो फल है जो पेड़ के सबसे ऊपर वाली शाखा पर पाया जाता है. तो जब ये टूटता है तब ये उस आकाश की ओर नहीं जाता जो ऊपर हो, वो जाता है उस धरती की ओर जो नीचे से उसे तक रही होती. क्यों? क्योंकि इस फल को अपनी ऊंचाई का ज्ञान धरती की नीचाई देखकर होता है. यही बात हम मनुष्यों के लिए भी लागू होती है. यदि आप संपन्न हैं तो उनकी सहायता अवश्य करें जो आपसे सामर्थ्य में कम, जिनको सहायता की आवश्यकता. आप सामर्थ्य में अधिक है क्योंकि वो आपसे कम है. देखिए, जीवन में आनंद केवल बढ़ना नहीं बल्कि उनकी सहायता करना भी है जो किसी कारणवश आपसे नीचे रह गए. और जब एक फल ये बात समझ सकता है तो आप क्यों नहीं? राधे राधे.